Hi kids! Yes, still playing with the rabbit and just left his house. He brought me to this crazy and beautiful house in the middle of the forest. And he told me that the owner is a bit special. Oh, here he is. And he's saying something. I am the Mad Hatter and I invited you to have tea with us. Thank you! I love tea! But here we have tea in a very special way. Look, we are going to play a game together and we have to arrange the sentences in the time the clock tells us. If we don't make it, we'll get smaller? What? You're going to make me smaller? Oh, no. I don't want to get smaller. I like my size. Well, you'll have to arrange the sentences on time. Ready? Okay. Oh, all right, I'm ready. But worried. The first sentence. You play with dolls in the room. Okay. This is the sentence. But where are the words? Oh, look. Oh, they're here on the table, but they're moving. And they move very fast. I can get to see them properly. I do have to focus. Okay. Let's just start with the first ones. You play. Those two words, where are they? You play. On the cup. Great. And with dolls. With dolls on the glass. Yes. And in the room. Hey, here, the knife, the spoon and the fork. Great! We have them. Fantastic. Now makes sense. You play with dolls in the room. Woof! Great. I'm so glad I'm not getting smaller, guys. Let's play again. And here's the second sentence. He plays with dolls in the room. Okay. Great. And this time, the only words we need to find are he plays. Remember, when we use he or she, we have to add an S or an ES to the verb in present simple. So let's find he plays. Where are those words? He plays. Oh, those plates, yes, they're dancing, right? Yes, stop dancing. Great. Okay. There you go. Wonderful. Oh, I'm not getting smaller. Let's go for another sentence. And the sentence is, I go to school by feet. I go to school by feet. Yes, I do go to school by feet. That's true. And the words are... Okay, now I need to find all words. All right. Ready. Hey! Look at all these bags on the table and they have words again. Okay, let me just focus. You the tiny cricket. You have the personal pronoun I. Thank you. And where is go? I go. The cockroach. You have it. Thank you. And I go to school by feet. To school by feet. Okay. The fireflies. Look at the fireflies together. They have to school. Thank you. And what a beautiful light. Let me see by feet. Where are those words? Got them! Look at the beautiful butterflies. Yes! Thank you! We did it again! Wow! What about the last sentence? Let me see. He goes to school by feet. Okay, and again, can you see? Now we don't have the personal pronoun I, but he. So we need to add an ES after the verb go. He goes. Great. He goes to school by feet. And how many words do we need to find? Just two. He goes. And where are they? look at this tiny ant. Yes, it has he. It has he. Great. And where is goes? Goes. Goes, goes, goes. Goes, goes. That was the cricket. Yes, it has goes. Hey, but what happened? Hey, look, the suffix es just fell down. No, no, no. No, 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 no. I don't want to be this small. It's not my mistake. Butterfly, please help us. Take the letters es and put them properly. Great. Oh, yes. Okay, again. Again, this is my size. Oof, lucky me. Thank you.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello again. Third activity of present simple. Remember, okay, when we need to conjugate for he, she, or it, we put the verb plus s or es. For example, I play, he plays. Okay? We put the s, alright? Yes? Let's go for this. Trace over the correct verb for each sentence. He jumps or he jumped. I told you, he s. So it's this first option. He jumps. Okay, he jumps and runs because the subject is still he. He jumps and runs. He jumps, he runs in the park. Alright? Let's go now for she. Yes, he, she, and it. They need the s. Okay? She eats fruits for breakfast. Well done. We go to school in the morning or we goes to school in the morning? It's we go. We go to school in the morning. We go to school in the morning. Well done. He likes to play with her teddy bear or he likes to play with her teddy bear? He, always the S. He likes. He likes to play with her teddy bear. Next one. I brush my teeth before going to school or I brushes my teeth? No. It's I. For I, we don't need the S. So I brush my teeth before going to bed. And then I help again. If it's I, don't need the S. So I help my mom set the table for dinner. Well done. Remember, he, she, he, need the S. Okay? For I, we, no need it. Goodbye.